Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So today I am giving you guys a well overdue room tour of my princess room, Jasmine. In this room, her room is actually 95% done, but throughout the tour I will actually tell you guys the 5% that isn't done. So if you guys would like to see the tour, please continue to watch. Okay, Queens and Kings, so we're gonna start here where when basically you open Jasmine door, she have this shelf that we purchased from IKEA and we painted it black. And on the shelf here, we have on the very top row is some unicorn bookends that I purchased from Target, a decorative box there with two of Dollar Tree candles. Now moving down here, we have a couple of DIYs as in these Christmas trees that I did with the iridescent bling on it. And which I think they are very gorgeous because they actually reflect all the colors in her room. And here she have her camera, then a picture of herself when she was like probably about 9 to 10 years old. We move down here. Here are some books, and the books in here are from Home Goods, in which they are the purpose and the reason why I'm using the iridescent bling around her room, because as you guys see, they reflects plenty of colors, and by she have a unicorn room, therefore that's why I decided to go with them. Now on this row here, she have a Chanel canvas that came from Burlington, a Grateful Heart Sees Many Blessings that came from the Dollar Tree. This J here came from the Goodwill, and we just blinged it out with some iridescent bling. And then we have another DIY picture frame here that has some purple flowers in it and a purple flower on the side. Now for the very last row here, we have a purse, just a little decorative purse that she doesn't carry anymore. She used to. And then here is another one of those decorative boxes. So once you continue to enter in her room, Jasmine have this little faux fur rug that I purchased from Walmart. But if you get a little close up to it, you can see that it actually have gold reflex in it. So it does sparkles. And like I said, I purchased that from Walmart. Now, as you totally enter in her room and you turn right, it's here that she got from IKEA, which this desk is a part of the 5% that needs to be done in her room, because we want to actually just clean it up, get cover some of the spots and scratches on it, and basically put a handle, a knob there on it. So this is everything on her desk. Above it is a sign that I got from Target, I think Target Dollar Spot. And you are beautiful, basically something that I want to remind her each and every day, because it can be some cruel people in this world, kids, adults, or whatever. I just want her to know that she is beautiful no matter what anyone says. Now this mirror here came from my dining room area, so this is basically where I placed the second mirror. Then we just have a little cute little bow, ornament bow there hanging on the side there. And on top of her vanity here, she have a extra J DIY eyelash cup that I did that house her little decorative pens. As you guys can see, her little brushes that I picked up from Five and below, excuse me. And down here, just a little makeup box. And she have two of those little macaroons, little trinket trays from the Dollar Tree. And this little container here that holds house her little lip gloss, a lip balm, and stuff like that. An old picture of her when she was a pre-K. Look at my beautiful baby. And her little classmates there and her teacher. Then she have this unicorn here that is from TJ Maxx, Dollar Tree. And then we have the Bath and Body Works pumpkin cupcake. Yes, it's winter, but we still burning some of fall items. So yeah. Then this little bling little candle holder here that has some flowers and little Christmas decoration. Then over here, that is her laundry basket, and this is her closet. So moving along, over here where her dresser is located. Now here's another 5% well, other part of that 5%. But above her dresser, we have some foam flowers, the pink ones that came from Hobby Lobby. The purple or lavender ones that you see in between is basically fillers. We just painting them on the wall just to fill in some space. Because I think I'm just going to go back and get some more flowers, but I'm not sure at this moment. Now, on the right hand side of her TV, she have this little bling tray, which it was part of my wedding. So if you see all the bling that you see in here is basically was part of my wedding. So therefore I decided to spread it out between her and myself. But in her tray, she houses some of her body sprays and things like that and lotion. Behind that, you see a mirror jade that came from the at-home store. And she have a game system in her cable box, which the game system she does not even play anymore. And then there go a bling vase. And this little paperweight unicorn here that you guys see, it came from Target. So we're moving on below her TV here on top of her dresser. Some more of those Dollar Tree little trinkets trays there and that dream sign as well. So I don't know, do you guys see the unicorn thing going on pretty much? I don't know, do you guys see it yet? Because we try to do it little pops around the room. But hey, you should see it by now. All the colors and dream and all that going on as well. But this candle holder here, this little flower candle holder, it came from the Dollar Tree. Then this little mirror perfume baller here, it came from the at-home store as well. And then we have this famous Z Gallery perfume bank. And then another one of those bling candle holders back there. So for her dresser, we want to actually change the knob and resurface it or repaint it or whatever, because it do have some scars or anything on it, but right now it's holding up pretty well. So let's move on over here to where her Christmas tree is located. Okay, so for her Christmas tree, you guys have seen her Christmas tree already once before, but since we moved it over here, we decided to just revamp it a little bit more and, add a little more to it and change it how we did style it. So we did for the tree topper here, we used two of those Walmart little feather little picks. We used that, and then we still put the bow there. We tied the bow, excuse me. We did add some DIYs ornaments, those the iridescent. We did go back and add some gold ornaments, and we used some white tulle that we got from the Dollar Tree just to fill it in. Then we put these little black bulbs that I got from Walmart at least 2 years ago. But pretty much everything else is still the same on her tree. And we also placed the tree on top of her other vanity stool, not other vanity stool, the other stool that she had in her room that actually matched her vanity, that chair. And we just put a little throw on top of it. So this the stool that she have to her vanity, which I think I'll be doing a revamp on this pretty soon though, but it came from Family Dollars. So behind her tree, there's a DIY that I did, and she do have one on the opposite side of her curtains. And speaking of curtains, she have these gorgeous satin curtains. They're lavender, and I purchased these from Ross. And then also these little sheer curtain, little polka dot curtains came from Target. So I love the way this contrast of this look. But look, you guys, I want to show you guys what I did with her tie back. These are DIYs. DIY tie back. Basically, I used some pearls that I used off of her Christmas tree, the same pearls. And I used an ornament, this little bow right here that came from Big Lots. And I thought that was so cute, so girly. So it just speaks for Jasmine. And then we hung some stockings on the side because she actually wanted some stockings in her room for Christmas, So as you see, it is pops of Christmas going around. But now above her curtains, she do have this unicorn that said believe in magic, and that came from Burlington. So basically just about all the colors that's going in her room, and that's why you see her room is very colorful, very girly, everything that she wanted. So let's move on down over here to the side of her bed. Now here goes another part of that 5%, which are these little shelf side tables that I got from IKEA. And as you can see, you got a little wear and tear on them. So we want to do some, sand it down and stuff, not repaint it. That's if we can, seal it all back up. But on top of it, she just have a little fruit items, some DIYs, this is a DIY from Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree items, Dollar Tree items, Dollar Tree items, the Hello Gorgeous. As you can see, her mom shop at Dollar Tree pretty much. And the jewelry box there came from Burlington. And that is a Target Dollar Spot jewelry holder, the bow and arrows where she got her chokers in her headphones. And as you can see, her room does not have any lamp shades to her lamps, and that's another part of the 5% that we really want to do. I'm thinking about doing some DIY lampshades if I find the proper design that I'm looking for. If not, we're just gonna buy some to place on top of there. So I do apologize the lighting. Now above her bed, basically everything up here it speaks for Jasmine. Her style, her idea, the way she wanted her room. Because above her bed she wanted to be like different canvas, different prints, different things just popping out on her wall. Now, the unicorn head that you see there, it came from TJ Maxx. Also, if I didn't mention the one that's on her vanity, that came from TJ Maxx. The little small little plaques that you see there and there, the purple one and gold over there, came from Target. That's a DIY, the love sign. Just basically put some Mod Podge and glitter on top of it. And here is another of those. Canvas came from Burlington. The little bling, little diamond star, or whatever you want to call it. That was a DIY. Well, a revamp anyways. Then this one here, this sign here said, always be yourself unless you can be a unicorn. Then you should be a unicorn. Duh. That came from Burlington as well. The XO is a DIY. Now the cute little lips here is that from Target. And then the little flower here on top of it actually lights up, and that's from the Dollar Tree, as well as this faith, love, and hope. And she do have like little butterflies that is mirror that's on her wall that's reflecting around. And as you can see, she have a lot of butterflies as well. Now moving on to the opposite side here, she has a J. And y'all, I apologize for the lighting because the sun is kind of going down. I'm trying to do this before she get home. The J is from Target. That's another flower. That's a DIY. The eyelashes, and as you can see, I did another that DIY eyelash cup. So try to balance or bounce different things around her room. Okay, so let's speak for her bed itself. It does, if you guys haven't been paying attention, it does kind of match her shelf that she got from IKEA. But no, I didn't get this bed from IKEA. I purchased it offline from Walmart actually. I think I paid no more than $140, I think, for the bed, if I'm not mistaken. So moving on down, on top of her bed, she has so many pillows and everything. Now for her comforter, we didn't want to go with no type of no design or nothing. I want to go with something plain and simple, because we know we was going to use patterns and a whole lot of different other items that was going to go along in her room. So therefore, that's why we just use a plain comforter, because she got polka dots pillows and sheets and stuff like that, which came from Target. The lavender comforter came from Old Time Pottery. And the pillow here on the right hand side, it actually came from Five and Below. The little perfume pillow here. And then she have this little sparkly pillow that match her rug that came from Walmart. The unicorn one here came from TJ Maxx offline. Then we have Both of those pillows came from Target Dollar Spots. Then this little unicorn here at the top of her bed came from Five and Below. And the lavender lips pillow came from Home Goods, I believe. And you guys know the little bow pillow is famous from Target. Target was famous, little cute little bow pillow. And this pillow here say, beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself, Coco Chanel. That came from Groupon. Yes, I purchased that from Groupon. So this is pretty much her bed. And for her room, you guys, I know you like it, probably a lot of colors, this and that, but it does speak for her. Jasmine is a very vibrant and bright little girl. She thinks everybody should be happy. She thinks there should be no problems in the world. Like, she feel like nobody should do no wrongdoing. Everybody should be nice to each other. Like, she's one of those little sensitive type girls like that. And that's the way she thinks. I try to basically school her or let her know the world is really not like that. You know, you do have to accept the, the rough side, the bad side, but you'll deal with it. You'll learn how to deal with it. But for the most part, this is how she feels like the world should be. She didn't want any dark colors in her room or nothing like that because of the simple fact she feel like dark colors will make her sad and all. So therefore, that's why a lot of colors are going on in her room other than by the theme is unicorn. So let's move on to the side here. Oh, her little mask there came from the Target Dollar Spot as well. Once again, I do apologize for the lighting. But on the side of her, on the other side of her bed, she had the same nightstand. And she have a little DIY deer that I did, that I revamped. Thank you guys for showing so much love on this video. She really do love it. She enjoyed that little deer there. Then she have a piggy bank here that, can you guys guess where it come from? Yes, Dollar Tree. There go another of those little macaroons. Yes, honey, we scraped up on those. She have a picture back here of her and myself. And then her little diaries over here. Always be yourself unless you can be a unicorn. Then always be a unicorn. I told you guys. Then this little diary here say, dream big. And another one of those little jewelry holders. But this time she has some of her bracelets on there. And now we moving closer back to the beginning here. We have a vase filled with some flowers in there. Cute little ornament there, butterfly on there. And this mirror here came from Walmart. So moving above, you see there's a two little plaques up there on the wall which say dream big, be brave, and those also came from the Dollar Tree. So now we're back to the beginning. Okay, Queens and Kings, so that is it for Jasmine Room. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. I hope it was worth the wait. I hope you guys got the concept of her room and actually seen the thing for itself. Like I said, it's a lot of unicorns, a lot of purples or lavenders, well, lavender, pinks, and golds and stuff like that. Most of the other colors that we use out of unicorn. And like I said, that canvas up there really just spoke the thing for us. So we didn't use like the green and yellow, but you do see pops of greens around the room, through different things like that. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please go ahead and rate, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the castle. And please share, you guys, so therefore others will be able to see the video, and also thumbs it up, because of the simple fact, once you thumbs it up, people will be able to see it. It'll get out to different peoples, and it basically put the video in the cycle of rolling around so it can actually be seen. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys actually got some type of ideas or anything for your daughter or your niece or whoever room or client. So with that being said, Queens and Kings, always do what you're afraid to do, and you guys know that's in a positive way. And I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.